Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto World. In this channel we will discuss relating the crypto for everyone who are beginner, who are expert, who are new to invest, or the one who are already invest and now they want to do more profit and they have to minimize the risk. So in this channel we will share all those things which are beneficial to everyone, if they are beginner, if they are old, if they are from any level of experience, from zero to hero. We will start here. So for this we are going to briefly discuss first about our channel Crypto World. This Crypto World, I make this channel only for the people like who have graduated, who have a good educational certificate in his hand, but he don't have any job anywhere right now in this situation, right now in this COVID pandemic. Every person in a very worst position and very worst financial position of everybody. A good businessman, a medium businessman, and a new businessman, everyone in trouble. So here what we do here in this platform, we are trying to facilitate those people, to give benefit to those people who have a good education level, and he knows this platform also for those who are middle class educated, even for student. This is a good platform related to crypto. There is crypto is also very risky, and crypto is also medium risky, and crypto is also low risk investment. But what you have to follow, you have to follow the channel, you have to subscribe the channel, you have to see day-to-day prediction, you have to see day-to-day videos, you have to see day-to-day data on our channel. Like nowadays, the very easy way to invest in a platform. There is too many platforms, but the platform related Binance is a platform which is very easily to handle, which is very easy to everyone. If they are middle class, if they are first class, if they are high educated, lower educated, medium educated, no problem. You have to follow this step carefully and you will get a maximum revenue from it. So today this video, I'm just to inform you that in this channel you will see the thing, in this channel you will see the coins, everything which is related to your benefit, nothing more. So please follow and subscribe our channel. My next video will be on Binance. My next video will be on the basic of crypto, from where this crypto originated and from where this crypto come out, and what's the basic unit of crypto, and how we have to sell and we have to buy, and which coin is best to buy and which coin is best to hold and which coin is best to sell, and how we will do it. If on any minutes of information we'll provide here. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel and be ready for my next video. Thank you for watching.